Good morning, my dear students. Let's continue the chapter Features of Windows 10. Okay, today's topic is adding a new desktop. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. Okay, then you will get a window. Window display thumbnail of all the running programs on the screen. Okay, so that you can add a new desktop. Okay, for that click the new desktop plus button and then the new desktop will appear in your window. Okay, Windows create a new desktop. Your original desktop is shown as desktop 1 while the new desktop is shown as desktop 2. Getting? So when you will add a new desktop, the previous one, the original one will shown as desktop 1 and the new one will shown as desktop 2. Okay, now let's see switching between desktops. Okay, on the taskbar click the task view button. Okay, on the taskbar you just click on the taskbar view button, then the thumbnail of all running desktops are shown at the bottom part of the screen. Okay, when you will click on the taskbar, the task view button, then you will see that a thumbnail of all the running desktop are shown in the bottom of the screen. Now the thumbnails of programs running in the current desktop are shown in the upper part of the screen. Okay, what will happen? The thumbnails of programs running in the current desktop are shown in the upper part of the screen. Okay, getting? Now click the desktop you want to use. Okay, now you want to, which one you want, you just click on the desktop. Getting? Now Windows switch to the selected desktop and display program running in it. When you will select that desktop, what will happen? The window switch to the selected desktop and display the programs running in it. Okay, now let's see moving a program to a different desktop. Okay, on the taskbar click the task view button. Okay, then Windows display thumbnails for each running program on the current desktop. Okay, what you need to do first, simply click on the taskbar, then click on the task view button so that all the thumbnails of running program will display on your current desktop. Now what you need to do, right click the thumbnail of the program you want to move to another desktop. Next thing what you need to do, next step, right click the thumbnail program which you want to move on to another desktop, then a menu will appear. Okay, next what you need to do, next step, click move to and select an option to move the program. What you need to do, click move to and select an option to move the program to an existing desktop so that you can get this program in a different desktop. Getting? So that window moves to the program to selected desktop. After that what will happen, Windows move to the program to the selected desktop so that you can use it. Getting? Good. Now let's see searching your computer or search box. Windows 10 provides the search box feature to quick search for programs. Okay, Windows 10 provides the search box features to quick search for programs, system settings and files on your computers as well as on the internet. Why and what is the advantage of this search box in Windows 10? It will allows you to quick search of your programs, system settings and files on your computer as well as on the internet. Okay, search box is located next to the start button on the taskbar. Search box is located next to the start button on the taskbar. Okay, now how to search? To search an item in your computer, first what you need to do, click inside the search box and type your search text. Okay, what you need to do first, click inside the search box and type what you want to search. Now Windows display program setting and files with names that include your search box. Okay, whatever name you will type in a search box, including that the names, Windows will display all the programs which is stored in your computer. Next, if you see the items in the list, click on it. If you see the item in the list, then you need to click on that. Then click the more category button. Also, if you are not getting, then you have to click the more category button. Getting? Next, a list of various categories appears. Okay, when you will click the more categories button, a list of various category will appear on your screen. Okay, so that select a category to refine the search result. What you need to do? Select a category to refine the search result. Windows display the items that match your selected category. Windows will display the items that match your selected category. Then click the next item, okay, you want to open. Then window open the program setting, files or website as per your selection. Getting? This is the process. Now let's see the using Cortana. Using Cortana, the personal assistant. Cortana is a personal assistant in Windows 10. Okay, it is a personal assistant in Windows 10. Cortana works well with the voice-based commands. It is just like your Alexa. You are watching the ad in TV. Alexa, play the music. Alexa, play that song and all. You are doing or not? The same thing. The Cortana also doing the same work. Okay. You can speak to her and ask different questions. Okay, she can open programs, she can set appointments, manage your email messages, give direction in maps, search for information in the computer and internet, and do much more. This Cortana will help you in different way. It can set appointment for you, it can open program for you, it can manage your emails and messages, give direction in maps. It will help you to search information in the computer and internet and doing much more work for you. The more you can use Cortana, the more helpful it will become for you. Okay, now let's see how to use it. Getting? First, click the talk button in the search box and speak your command in the microphone. What you need to do first, click on the talk button and in search box and speak your command in the microphone. Then type your command in the search box and press enter. There is two ways. First you can speak and you can enter your text also in the search box. Getting? Now Cortana execute your command. When you will give a command through voice or text, it will execute your command. It open up files or application, display various options from your computer or from the internet related to your command. Okay, it can open files or programs related to your command from the internet or from your computer. How to enable this Cortana? You can set Cortana to hear your anytime you say hey Cortana. Okay, turn on hey Cortana. Then what will happen? Click inside the search box. Then Cortana homepage will open. Now what you need to do second? Click the setting icon. Okay, then slide the switch on under the Cortana respond to hey Cortana. Getting? What you need to do first, you need to click to the search box and then the Cortana homepage will open. Then go to the setting, then switch on the let Cortana respond to hey Cortana. Okay, now speak hey Cortana into the microphone followed by your command. The Cortana gets activated and execute your command. This is about the Cortana, the personal assistant. So today we will conclude here. Okay, in next class we will learn about using Action Center. Okay, so what all the things today we learned? We learned today about adding a new desktop, then switching between desktops, then moving a program to a different desktop, searching your computer search box, then you're using Cortana, the personal assistant. Okay, how to enable hey Cortana and all. So today this much we learned. Next class we will see about using Action Center. Till then, take care.